guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all doing well. Wanted to give you a market update. There are a few news stories that I want to share with you and some crypto projects that are absolutely exploding right now. So let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen with you guys so you can have a look at some of the stories that have caught my eye today. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk to you about today is Cardano. Now, this news story is on Decrypt, and I'm going to go through it with you now. So Cardano launches smart contracts on testnet, pushing ADA to new highs. Now, I was expecting this to happen. My inner circle, I've been explaining to them, saying to them, look, Cardano is going to blow up. This project is quality. They're fixing problems. It's massive as a competitor to Ethereum because it's actually doing a better job than what they are. They're doing it faster, they're doing it with less problems, and they're doing it cheaper. So that is going to be attractive to people. And from an investor standpoint, people have identified that, which is why we're seeing the price of Cardano continue to get pushed higher. It's hit new all-time highs again. It's hit a new record high of $3.09, and it's gone up over a very short period by 137%. Okay, it's now the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap with $96.8 billion, or a 4.2% share of the entire marketplace. And that's impressive, guys. I don't care what anyone says. It's extremely impressive. And what you'll see here, okay, from input output on Twitter is yesterday we upgraded the Cardano testnet, successfully deploying Plutus smart contracts capability. The focus now is on final component testing and exchange integrations ahead of the Alonzo mainnet upgrade, still on track for deployment on the 12th of September. What I'm expecting to see here, guys, between now and the 12th of September is Cardano to continue to push higher. The likelihood is that when it goes live, you'll get a retraction because people will pull profits, because obviously Cardano has gone up dramatically in value. So that's naturally going to occur. But that presents a huge opportunity because when it pulls back, I will be buying more, and I will be telling all my people to buy more because they are doing this so much better than anyone else has done it before with smart contracts. And businesses will be all over this. You're going to see institutions that are going to want to use Cardano services. You're going to see normal businesses wanting to use it. You're going to see individuals wanting to use it because it's cheaper, it's faster, and it's better. And I'm really impressed with what Charles Hodgkinson has actually created here. He's created a monster, and I think that it's going to continue flying upwards in value long term. So for me, guys, Cardano is definitely one of the hot topics right now. So I wanted to share that news with you. Now, the other news that I wanted to share with you is a story that I have seen on Cointelegraph. Now, this one here is by William Suberg, and Bitcoin bull run sparks $180,000 Bitcoin price prediction ahead of institutional fireworks. So what these guys are saying here, okay, is Bitcoin made traders play a guessing game on Thursday as $50,000 looked increasingly shaky as new support. And you can see that there, this little area did look a little bit shaky, struggling to break that support. But let me tell you something, guys, that doesn't matter, okay? Crypto seeing spectacular September. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView track Bitcoin against USD as it's crisscrossed the $50,000 barrier after returning to it for the first time in almost 2 weeks. The largest cryptocurrency saw 4.5% gains on the day. These nonetheless beaten by 3 of the top 10 altcoins, which all managed over 7%. Against a largely positive background, traders were understandably bullish on Bitcoin's prospects. Now, a break above 50K would get us a 58 to 60K Bitcoin price based on trading analysis. That'll be sitting above the 200-day moving average, which is now acting as support, Pentoshi summarized to Twitter followers. Now, what he's got here is, what is your price discovery plan? Above those highs, 3x seems reasonable, which is around 180k. You don't go make new all-time highs for 10% gains, verge of breaking out into that last range. Now, you can see it very clearly here, okay? All we need to do is break out into this area here. If we hit that area, and I think it's more of a when we hit that area, that is when we're going to have that ridiculous signal that's going to send us up into a different stratosphere. And I genuinely think, guys, what you've got to understand is here, it's extremely easy for Bitcoin to 3 times itself, to 5 times itself. Okay. People don't understand that. They look at the price and they think, well, it can't possibly go 4x, 5x, 6x because it's at $40,000-$50,000. So, you know, what looks realistic at that point is maybe it will go up another 10 or 20,000. No, that's not how this works. When you've been in this marketplace for long enough and you've experienced some of these 2017 parabolic bull runs, okay, that's when you start understanding what Bitcoin is actually capable of. Bitcoin can hit 200k easily, and that could happen this year. I'm telling you, the opportunity, the money that's coming into this market is just huge, absolutely huge. They're the two main stories that I wanted to share with you. I'm also just going to briefly go over some of the prices of the cryptos so you can see how the market's performing. Okay, guys, so as things stand, the market cap's at $2.248 trillion. Okay, it's up over 5.5% on the 24-hour. Bitcoin has broken out today. It's over $50,000 now. It's up 5% on the 24-hour. Ethereum is still going for it. It's at $3,781 at the moment. Cardano still above $3. It's up 6.71% on the 24-hour. Binance coin is getting close towards $500. This token for me is going to be a big one in the future, guys. You want to keep an eye on that. XRP, you already know what we feel about XRP. You've only got to ask Dean about that one. It's at $1.28 at the moment, and it's nearly up. Sorry, it is up 7%. Dogecoin is up 7.5%. It's at 30 cents. Solana, my little baby, is at $116, guys, nearly $117, and it's still moving. It's up 2%. It's up 57% on the 7-day, and this thing's going higher. Trust me when I tell you that. It might pull back, and if it does, and you've got some liquidity and some money on the sideline, go and buy some of this if you haven't got any already, and if you have got some, get more of it. Not financial advice, but I love this thing. This blockchain is going to be amazing in the future. Right, Polkadot finally started moving. We've told you about Polkadot, and for those of you that are stuck with it, I'm glad that you have, because now it's nearly up 10%. It's at $32.49. Uniswap's up 2.2% at $30. Chainlink, again, another one we've told you guys about. Finally looks like we're starting to get some movement from it. It's at $30. Terra Luna, this thing was a monster a couple of weeks ago, but it's moving again. It's at $32 at the moment. It's up 4% on the day. It's up 20% on the 7-day. Bitcoin Cash, we like this one as well, and it's finally starting to move. This, if I'm honest with you, is a sleeping giant. It has been around for a long time, and it, in my opinion, it's been extremely undervalued, extremely suppressed, and it's at $668 currently. It's up 4.5% on the day. Obviously, guys, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that this marketplace is full of green, which is fantastic. FTX token. Now, we got people into this one in our trading group, okay? Ticker for it is FTT. This has blown up. It's at $67.91. It's up 16% on the day. It's up 44.88% on the 7-day. Our pro traders spotted the breakout trade. We took advantage of this one. We've already hit a number of the sell orders on it, which is fantastic for everyone in the group. So, bit of a market update there for you guys. Any questions, as always, leave them in the comments. Any of you interested in finding out more about cryptocurrency trading, get in contact with us. All the links are below in the comments. If you're interested in learning how to build yourself a long-term portfolio, links underneath in the comments. And if you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Remember to like the video, share it if you think someone else is going to take value from it. And please remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you get notified for future videos. And I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. Take care.